Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get this Galaxy animated wallpaper on your Oukitel smartphone. So in this case I am with Oukitel WP6, but of course on your Oukitel other smartphone you can do this also. So what we have to do, we have to go for the Play Store at the first, and in the search pool we have to type Shadow Galaxy wallpaper, this phrase, and we have to pick up this application. The name is Shadow Galaxy from the maxellus.net. When you download this application, you can just simply open it, then tap open one more time and click in the right upper corner to set as a wallpaper. And when you go back to your screen, you will see here this beautiful animated Galaxy wallpaper on your Oukitel smartphone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.